Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I have added 2 clips on how to knit and how to purl the wrong side of the knit. I hope this will help you a bit. This is how I do my knitting. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't be shy to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, a new clip, new post, you will be notified, indicating I have posted something for you guys to see and view and learn. And share it with everybody that you are enjoying. So have fun, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.